Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Lane Guitar, myself Varun. In this video I am going to do a tutorial for a Tamil song starting beat. The song is actually from the movie Minnale. The song is actually Vasigara, the starting portion. So I hope you can learn. So let me tell you about the notes of this starting beat portion. The note will start at B in the second string. The root of this song is actually so third string, ninth fret, which is E. E is coming in this note in this song. So third string, ninth fret E. Second string, eighth fret, which is a G. And third second string, eighth fret is G. 10th fret is A. 12th fret is B. 11th fret, 13th fret is C. C is also coming. And first string, 10th fret is D. 12th fret is E. And 13th fret is A. So the starting beat will be at second string, 12th fret, that is B. So B, 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 C, B. So B, 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 C, B. Next is, and the note is A, G, F sharp. A, G, F sharp. That is also in second string. Second string, 10th position, 8th position, and 7th position. The notes are A, G, F sharp. So together if we play, it will be like. So this is it. And next is. So the note is actually from F sharp in the second string, which is at 7th fret. So second string, 7th fret, that is F sharp, G, A. So F sharp, G, A, G, F sharp, E. E can be played here also in the second string. 5th fret is actually E, as well as in third string, 9th fret is also E. So you can play either at second string, 5th position, or in third string, 9th position. So this much we learned. Next is this is very easy. Starting from E. So E, G, 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 A, 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 B, 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 B. So the next part is, that is B, D, E, F sharp. B, D, E, F sharp. B in second string and D, E, F sharp in first string. So B, D, E, F sharp. notes are in second and first string. First string E, D, and second string C, B. So E, D, C, B. E, D, C, B. And next is, and that note is C, B, A. So C, B, A, B, C. C, B, A, B, C. C, B, A, B, C. And next part is, and that is B, A, G, F sharp. B, A, G, F sharp. B, A, G, F sharp. So if we play together, so if we play all the notes together, it will be, and next is Vajigara. You will start at it will start at this note F sharp. So F sharp G. So I hope you can learn from this video. Keep on learning. Thank you for watching.